Now another statement, children, this was a confusion, so I stroked that off. Anyways, next is sculptor is again asking, Komal is asking, how much time dash it take to carve one? Now, children, here in this we have to take the help of the answer, because if we only identify the tense of the answer, only then we will be able to write the question in the correct tense, because we have to comply by the tense of the question in case of the answer, and by the answer in case of the question. It takes me 2 to 3 days. Children, this is very simple. Takes is verb, and only with the help of verb you can identify the tense of the question. So this is easy, that this is simple present tense, because in that only we use s or es after verb first. So it takes me 2 to 3 days. Now, children, this is important because very few children have written this statement as correct, but most of the people have done it wrong. Why? Because some people have written how much time do you take. Somebody has written this, how much time do you take. Okay, the tense may go right, but that is wrong. Or it may go right, but it is not. It has some statement better than this or more appropriate than that, because here it is there. It takes me, so you have to comply by it also. So it means it should be there, not you, because agar yahan pe I hota, then we could have used here you or it. Anyways, so it should be there also, and with it we have to use does, because we have do and does in simple present tense. Do with plural and does with singular. It is singular, so we have to write how much time does it take to carve one, and the answer is it takes me 2 to 3 days. Next is dash teach me. Answer is yes, I'll teach you. I'll is the contraction of I will. Yes, I will teach you. Now, children, again you made a mistake here. Somebody wrote can you teach me. Children, I know that can be a right answer, can be correct, but it cannot be a right answer here, because here it is written I will teach you. Simple future is here, so question should also be in simple future only. Agar yahan pe can hota, right, then you could have used that, but here you have to use will you teach me, not can you. If you people are writing can you, it is wrong. If you are writing can you, it is wrong. But what is right? Will you is right. Now, children, let's solve our conjunction exercise. Rewrite the following pairs of sentences as one using the most appropriate conjunctions from the ones given in box. You all know what you have to do. Now you have 3 pairs of sentences. First pair is I like English, I like French. When we are talking about the things in which there is similarity, or we have to use also in that, so we can also use as well as. I like English as well as French. Children, some of you have written I like English as well as I like French. No, children, the purpose of conjunction is defeated here if you are writing the sentence like this only. Why? Because conjunction is there to contract the sentence. If the sentence is long, so we should cut it and make it shorter. So what would be the correct sentence after using conjunction? I like English as well as French. This is the correct answer. Now another pair, I am interested in physics. He has I am interested in physics. My brother is interested in maths. Now, children, here are 2 sentences, and there is a kind of comparison between the 2 sentences. So what conjunction we will use? Whereas. I am interested in physics, whereas my brother is interested in maths. Now He has already performed well in exams. He will score good marks. Children, here is the reason and here is the result. What is the result? He will score good marks. It is the probable result that we may see in future. And what is the reason? He has already performed well in an exam. So where there is joining of reason and a result, we will either use therefore or because. But because is not here, so we have to use therefore only. What will be the answer? He has already performed well in exam, therefore he will score good marks.